Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome y'all onto my channel, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. I just literally woke up. As you can see, the light is just young but either way, I just wanted to talk about this young boy. I don't want to lie to you, and this shooty yinto vele. What I've seen that congregations, or most congregations, do, or it's a norm for them. You understand? Check out this video and then we'll talk.
All right, young man.
I've seen this happening time and time again, especially swela kudala. Yokudala nami ngisakhonza back at home, where umuntu onemali, regardless ukuthi uyamazi uNkulunkulu or not, usekhulile enkosini or not, the fact ukuthi usuke nemali, one, uzohlala next to the pastor, two, okunye futhi they'll get a certain role enkonzweni, or should I say irole ephezulu enkonzweni. It happens. Maunemali, that's what I've seen. I'm not saying Koteni has money or not, but she is famous. I do not know ukuthi this is being done so that they want to attract other people about her fans or people who like her, or this thing ukuthi nasikhonza nomuntu oyi-celebrity. I'm sorry. That's why enikezwe ipulpit. She was not supposed to get a pulpit. She was not. Yes, she might have been to church before enkonzweni and all of that, but lo muntu ufuze ngabe nje uthe mayifika enkonzweni wahlaliswa phansi njengawo wonke umuntu. There's nothing special about her. Engathi efika nje umuntu enkonzweni ephuma futhi nakhona from the other side. Okay, I know that sounds bad, but ephuma from the other side, next thing uzayithatha unikeza ipulpit kanjani? Asikuphiki ukuthi uyamazi uNkulunkulu and all of that, but she needs to grow ekukholeni kwakhe. She needs to grow bafethu. Lento ukuthi umuntu uzothi efika because udumile or uyi-celebrate or unemali, then sezonikwa isikhundla esiphezulu noma isikhundla esithile ukuthi uzoma phambi kwebandla. Cha, lokho ke nje mina angikuzwa kahle. Why bekwenzeka kanjani? Why? Animeni kancane bafethu. Ukoko sikhathini still needs to grow nje kakhulu. Yabona nje, as I even said nje, even as a person, ukuthi fine, she was doing all of these things umngoma and all of that, and she misled people. Allegedly, I'll say that all of this is alleged. She misled abantu and all of that. This whole video is alleged. Yeah. She misled abantu ngomngoma ebathwasisa or edlala ngabo or scamming them or whatever that was happening. She did all of that, and she does not feel any remorse, as I've even said on the previous video, because she does not feel any remorse. Delela noma posta ama video uzombona Delela and mocking those people and all of that. Mina guys, ayikho abekho abantu abadelela. Yazi, I never used to understand this. Abekho abantu abadelela njengabantu abakholwayo noma abantu asebeqale or sebedecide ukuthi bona sebefuna ukuembarka kule journey yokukholwa. Bayadelela labo bantu because umuntu uthi makube bephuza, next thing usozohamba uyodelela abantu abaphuzayo. If umuntu bekuthi ebefeba, usozohamba uyodelela abantu abafebayo. If umuntu ebeyisangoma, usozohamba uyodelela abantu abayizangoma. Labantu aningitsheleni kahle kabafethu, manje badelela kanje. Angithi sina we are ama-fishermen kaNkulunkulu, first phume so-double fish, and all fish in this case it's people, it's God's people or abantu baNkulunkulu. Angithi they say there's a difference between abantu baNkulunkulu nabantwana baNkulunkulu. Fine. Thina sibonani kanti ama-fishermen esimele sihambe so-double fish? Nizobadoba kanjani ke ofish nithi masibhizi sithi zama ukudotshwa ofish bese nina lokho nithi emanzini bazoza kanjani labo fish kule net kanjani understand leyo nto? Learn to respect people, guys, regardless ukuthi who they are or kanjani. Learn to respect people and learn how to talk to people. And when I go Skoteni, you're the last person to be gloating and papa. You're the last person to be doing that. Already you misled a lot of people. But you have the nerve of ubahleka labo bantu oba misleading. I feel like she's doing that. I feel like uyabahleka. It's like umuntu uJothi uzokusiza kanti uyakubhayizisa akwenze slim and uthwasa allegedly what I've heard imali kadori abanye benza vele benganalutho, but because bafila ngathi basuke bethunyelwe yidlozi bayeza bezokhipha leyo mali. And I saw another post where she was saying ukuthi there was this other lady who was saying ukuthi ngathi ungena umgomo or something like that, and then she commented speaking about no awunabo umgomo depression. But wena ke why sumenze slim akumkhiphisa imali engaka? Already you know that this person is going through a tough time. This person is depressed. Why are you people don't give a rat's ass about another person? You know, people, guys, okay, some of us or a lot of people might not have been educated about depression. I also was not educated by depression, but by virtue of seeing things like social media and also reading about a few things, I know how dangerous and bad and dark depression is. And I feel like Kokoskozeni also knows. Why you going to take advantage of it? If you ask umuntu une depression, because abanye vele it has been said ukuthi no akusibona ubulentuzana umgomo, it's just that abantu bana depression. And I do feel like kukhona one of amathwasana akhe where she also once felt like that, or maybe she once have said something like that mhlambe komunye umuntu eceleni, but still took this person's money, because a lot of people have been coming out talking about her scamming them. Kokoskozeni, thina sama fishermen of what we were told by omunye umfundisi. I was told enkonzweni thina sama fishermen ukuthi sisazenze lezi zinto lezi besizenze ekuqaleni does not mean fasihambe sodelela noma sixayela abantu noma siyibone singcono kunalabantu, because once waqala wadelela, once waqala wagxeka, labantu angeke besafuna ukuza enkonzweni. Bazoza kanjani enkonzweni? Wena ungaya endaweni la usugxekwe wagxekwa wadelelwa khona. We do not asixosho fish. Asikwenzi nje lokho. If you want to help someone, you of which I do feel like kusondeza umuntu kuNkulunkulu, it's helping someone. You do that, is khona indlela zokwenza lokho. Hayi le ukuthi uphuma ubagxeka bazoza kanjani ke uNkulunkulu awutshela. That's why I'm even making an example ukuthi office mobile lokushaya amanzi bazoza kanjani la ku ongehanja kule net, because lapha khona isitswepu wena uyabona ukuthi usasemncane kakhulu nala. Yes, ezinye izinto ukhulile nyana, but kokunye you are very immature. You're very immature. Very. You still need to work on those things. So that's why I'm even asking myself, why when Sukichimana Papambilu preach and all of that? I mean, I remember back in the day, umuntu befasta, fastiswa and all of that. Nje ube nalesikhathi noNkulunkulu and That's why even this thing, yes, I'm happy for her, but kokunye, I'm just side-eyeing all of this because I'm asking myself, Uti, did she really do this like ngenhliziyo emhlophe, or it's just one of our stunts? Tell me what you think about this whole video down below. Sure.